Assalamu alaikum dear students, I am your tutor Mariam Khan and you are watching the Progressive Learning. Today we are started a new subject known as Microbiology. In the first lesson of Microbiology, we will discuss about introduction of Microbiology. So let's start. Antony van Leeuwenhoek is known as the father of microbiology. He served his life for microbiology. Now we define microbiology. Microbiology is the scientific study of microorganisms, those being unicellular, multicellular, and acellular. Unicellular organism consisting of single cell, but there are many number of cells in multicellular organism and no number of cells are present in acellular organism. It means that a large variety of organisms are present inside them, from too simple to too complex. As we are talking about microorganisms, different types and natures are present between them. Some are preferred to live alone and some are live in the form of colony. Solitary and single-cell organisms having the small size are difficult to see under microscope as compared to colonial microorganisms, because when they form colonies their size become increase and they are easy appear under the microscope. Microorganisms include most unicellular organisms from all the three domains of life. They can be extremely diverse. They contain organisms from archaea, bacteria, and eukaryota. But from eukaryota, they contain both unicellular and multicellular organisms. The primary agents included in microorganisms are bacteria, viruses, algae, fungi, and some protozoa. However, there are some exceptional cases. Some algae and fungi are large size and can be seen with naked eyes. They are also the part of microbiology. Hearing the name of microbiology, we understand that only those things come inside it which is visible only with microscope, but it does not. Those organisms also come under microbiology which we can see from naked eyes, like algae and fungi. Big algae are present inside the bottom of sea. So we can say that microbiology is a broad term that deals with microorganisms as well as those which are seen with naked eyes. Here are the four major branches of microbiology, and we can discuss them briefly one by one. The very first branch is bacteriology. The second one is mycology. Third one is protozoology. And the fourth one is phycology. Bacteriology is the scientific study of bacteria. Mycology is the branch of microbiology in which we study about fungi. Protozoology is also the branch of microbiology in which we study about protozoa. And in branch of phycology, we study about algae. We will discuss all of these branches in detail in our upcoming lectures. It is our first brief introductory lecture. Stay in touch with me for content-wise proper lectures. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.